Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best submersible well pumps that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best submersible well pumps. The discovery of submersible-type well pumps allows you to expel water up to 90 feet depth beneath the ground. This is the prominent reason behind the wide popularity of the submersible kind of well pumps on the market. Number 5. Hallmark Industries MA0414X7. Its body is made up of stainless steel material to allow you to fetch water for long term. It can seamlessly work for 5 inches or larger wells. There are 2 wire pumps. Main features: heavy-duty construction, built-in thermal protection, smooth silent operation. Number 4. Redline RL12GL52W2V. This pump provides a wide performance range that makes it simple to find a model according to your needs. The pump is simple to install and use. Main features: impellers don't clog easily, high performance and superior quality, versatile and quiet operation. Number 3. Hallmark Industries MA0414X7 A1 horsepower. This pump is highly reliable and efficient. Basically, it is a long-life product with a sturdy stainless steel assembly and the cast iron. Main features: industrial-grade metal construction, strong and durable, good pumping action. Number 2. Hallmark Industries MA0343X 4.5 horsepower. The deep well submersible pump by Hallmark Industries comes with the specifications like 1 horsepower, 110 volts 60 HC, and 33 GPM. Main features: sturdy steel shell, corrosion and rust resistant, easy to install. Number 1. LoveShare 1.1 kW/1.5 horsepower. This model of the submersible pump devised by the brand LoveShare works on 110 volts and delivers 1.5 horsepower power. Main features: easy to operate and maintain, doesn't require a pump room, strong stainless body. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.